Hi guys, ayun guys, pasensya na, masakit lang yung mata ko, kakaiwa ko lang ng sibuyas kasi guys, kaya medyo naluluwa-luwa. So guys, still available your favorite menu in Talabat, Smiles, and Noon application guys. Link ng mga delivery services namin guys, nasa comment section na guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. Still free delivery sa Noon application guys, and Talabat, Smiles have discount guys. So ayun na nga guys, please continue to like, share, follow, and subscribe to the GFH Street page in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube guys for more updates, new menu, and activities of your GFH Street Restaurant. By the way guys, nung mga nakaraan pala is nag-train kami for food safety guys. So alhamdulillah, naipasa naman namin lahat guys yung food safety training namin guys. And nagpasukat na rin kami ng new uniform for the preparation of the grand opening of your GFH Street Restaurant and Rashadia 1 guys. So please continue to like, share, follow, and subscribe to the GFH Street page in social media guys, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube guys. So thank you so much sa mga new followers and subscriber ng GFH Street page. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.